Hey, I'm Karen, and this is Nick, and we are with the Meyer Vacation Rentals Maintenance Department, and we are here to talk about some of the things that we do behind the scenes here up in the workshop and in the maintenance department itself. So here we have a table that was brought in from an Escapes to the Shores unit, and Nick, this appears to be a very heavy metal table, and it seems to have seen better days. So, what is your opinion?
My opinion. Well, first off, if you look at it, it's kind of gold. It's probably made out of a brass casting, so I'm thinking it's going to be a pretty expensive table. But the question is, is it really an expensive table? Do we need to go through all that trouble?
Okay.
So I think maybe we look it up and see if we can get a price.
All right, let's look it up.
Let's do it.
All right, sounds good. All right, let's. So here we're looking at
$548 from this.
for this table.
Yeah.
That's So let's see if we can manage a repair.
I believe we can.
Yeah, I think so.
Probably less than 30 minutes we can get it back together and get it back to the property. We want to make sure that the original joint is matched up properly, and it should line itself all back up as far as the level.
Here we'll just apply a little bit of pressure just to.
Can you tighten it right there, Karen, a little bit? Good.
Okay.
Perfect.
So this will take 24 hours or so to set up, and then we'll put a little touch-up paint on it and
stick it back. So
take it back. And
one small container of two-part epoxy, and what was that, 10-15 minutes?
Yeah.
We've got a $548 table that's going to be going back shortly.
Yep.
Thank you, Karen.
You're welcome. Thank you.